Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with week 5 or 4 of January scripture writing, and I hope you guys are week 5 of scripture writing for the month of January. This is the last week in January, and we are finishing with the book of Job, and then we're going into the book of Exodus. And again, I'm taking a verse or two from the scripture chapters that I'm reading, and I just write it out for that day, and then I just decorate the page. The focus is on writing the scripture, not on the decorations, but of course the decorations make my penmanship, which I don't like too much, look a lot better. And it does encourage you to come back and read it again. So my first one is Job 33 verses 14 through 17, which says, "For God speaketh once, yea, twice, yet man perceiveth it not." Ain't that true? I speak for myself. Sometimes we miss things. In a dream and a vision at night, when deep sleep falleth upon men and slumberings upon the bed, then he opened the ears of men and sealeth their instructions, that he may withdraw man from his purpose and his pride from man. I think that's it. I can't read my writing. Then this one, Job 37:14. "Hearken unto this, O Job, stand still and consider the wondrous works of God." Wednesdays was when the morning stars sang together and all the sons of God shouted for joy. Job 38:7. And then we go into the book of Exodus on the 28th of January, in the third book already. It's amazing how fast you can move along by just reading 12 to 15 minutes a day. And God knows, if you watch this video, you can spend 15 minutes. Anybody video pretty much on YouTube, you could have done it. You could break it up, one chapter in the morning, one for lunch, and one for dinner, and get your 3 chapters in, and you can complete the whole Bible in 1 year. And God said unto Moses, "I am that I am." And he said, "Thus shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, I am, have sent me unto you." Exodus 3:14. Exodus 6:6 says, "Wherefore say unto the children of Israel, I am the Lord, and I will bring you out from under the burdens of Egypt, of the Egyptians, and I will rid you out of their bondage, and I will redeem you with a stretched out arm, and with great judgments." And in Exodus 8:23, "And I will put a division between my people and thy people. Tomorrow shall that sign be." Exodus 12:12, "For I will pass through the land of Egypt this night, and will smite all the firstborn in the land of Egypt, both man and beast, and against all the gods of Egypt I will execute judgment. I am the Lord." Very important chapter, very important to the Jewish faith, but very important to the Christian faith as well. Because this Passover is what we celebrate, not Easter, but Passover, when the death spirit came over, and they were spared. So that's what God does us. He destroys the spirit of death so that we may have life. So I'm going to put it on fast forward, and then I will come back and decorate the pages. Okay, so I am back, and these are just my washes that I use. And this one says, "Best day ever, you got this. Best day ever, you got this." He is greater than I. Check mark. She believed she could. She did. And cross. Pray for it. She believes she can get saved. She believes she can be redeemed. She can believe whatever the word tells her. And so I just decorated it, just with some little icons, since I had a lot of scripture this week. A lot of the verses were longer. And so that is my layout for today. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And if you want to do the same. I will have a hashtag below, and I'll let you know what verses. You can always email me ahead of time, too, if you want to know what verses, chapters I'll be reading. If you want to go along with me on this journey for reading the Bible through the year. Also, I forgot what I was going to say. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to let God use you as a scribe. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.